I'm going to talk about arcane patterns. So let's look at Scarborough. So let's click too fast. So Scarborough, Richmond Hill, Downtown Toronto, Oakville, Hamilton, Brampton, Wagon, Richmond Hills, Stony Market included, Oshawa, possibly even Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some, including Oakville. It's gonna get some strong winds gusting up to 70 miles per hour. The wind is going to ease later this morning. There's some special weather statement with this weather advisory, which is going to end by 3 or 4 p.m. starting from Tuesday, March 17, 8:47 a.m. So we completed all the cities, including Nagpal City, Niagara Lake. So let's look at Orange World. So Orange World's going to get some. So Orange World's actually is going to get some 70 to 80 miles per hour, strong winds, 2 to 4 centimeters of snowfall, blowing snow. This going to be special weather statement and in fact with this weather advisory. It starts from Monday, March 16 to the 6 p.m. Tuesday, March 17, 10 a.m. So just 10 minutes if I want to make a difference. So let's look at Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Salaby, Milan, Olala, Berry. So those cities are going to get some local snowfall of 10 to 20 centimeters with some wind gusts to 60 to 70 miles per hour. It's going to continue today and easing to this evening. Some yellow warning with snow squall warning which starts from Tuesday, March 17, 8:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to Tuesday, March 7, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So let's look at lines that will be white and boils in our numbers. So, oh, this combines snowfall and local snowfall amounts of 20 to 30 centimeters with some wind gusts of 70 to 80 miles per hour. There's some orange warning, some snow squall warning, which starts from March 17, Tuesday, 4:26 a.m. to March 17, Tuesday, 8:26 p.m. So we did everything. So let's go to next tower. Not next tower. Let's look at pressure pattern starting from 8 p.m. So 1000 and something, 1020 millibars of pressure, which is 8 p.m. 1020, 1024, 1028 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next tower, which is 8 p.m. March the 19th, so 1020. We'll next go to next hour, which is a Friday, March 20th. March 20, no, it's going 1012, 1016 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 1014 hours. 1000 millibars of pressure, 1004 millibars of pressure, 1004 millibars of pressure. Let's look at March 18 with the new properties. So 1020, 1024, 1028 millibars of pressure. Let's look at precipitation patterns starting from 8 p.m. So it's not started yet properly. So let's look at Zura coding. Everything's still going. So it's going. So 2 p.m. So, Collingwood, Bombay, Thunder Beach, Salaby, Milan, Adela, Betty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Edinburgh, no, it's not Coburg, Belleville. Port Elgin, Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 5 p.m. There is something. There is something. So, Bombay, Thunder Beach, Salaby, Milan, Adela, Betty, Georgina, Coburg, Peterborough, Port Elgin, Hanover, those cities are gonna get in some parts of Niagara. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 8 p.m. So Port Elgin, Hanover, Whitetown, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, Olala, Betty, Parts and Argon, Lake Doses are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 11 p.m. So let's look for Elves in Hanover, Whiteham, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Salt Lake Bay, Midland, Olala, Betty, Georgia. Those seeds are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 a.m. Hopes Bay, Wyerton, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Sada Bay, Midland. Olala is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So Palm Beach is gonna get some. Olala is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 2 p.m. So Niagara Falls is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters snowfall. Let's go to 5 p.m. There's nothing else. 8 p.m. There is something. So line said Obey White Temple in Hanover. Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, South Bay, Midland is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 11 p.m. Line said Obey White Temple in Hanover. Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, South Bay, Midland, Betty, Beverly Hills, Jordania, Lala. Oshawa, Uxbridge, doses are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 a.m. Starlark Bay, Midland, Olala, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Colbert, Peterborough, Belleville. These are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Palm Beach. So let's look at 11 a.m. It is well, there's nothing else. So let's go to 2 p.m. There's nothing else. 5 p.m. There is nothing else. Something actually. So Orangewood New Market is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour. 8 p.m. There is something. So Scarborough, Stouffville, Toronto, Richard Hill, New Market, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangewood, Oakville, Hamilton, Mississauga, not Hamilton. Oakville Hamilton's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall by Hammond, but Oakville less rainfall. So let's go to London. Let's go to 11 p.m. So Scarborough, Stouffville, Toronto, Richard Hill, Newmarket, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Oshawa, going to get Oracle Boston. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Hamilton Oracle so it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 a.m. So there is nothing else. 11 a.m. There is something. So line said Obi, Bombay, Stanby, Salabim, and Lana. Those is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 8 a.m. 2 p.m. actually. So line said OB, O'Barton, Burlington, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanby, Salabim, and Lana, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills. So Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown, Ontario, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Colbert, Peterborough, Belleville. Those is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Niagara and Niagara Falls is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 5 p.m. So let's go to line said OB by Temple in Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, on the beach, Solabay, Midland, Olala, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Hills, parts of Niagara on the Lake Hamilton, not Hamilton, Oakville, parts of it, Scarborough, Stouffville, Toronto, Richmond, Newmarket, Brampton, Orangeville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Eastern Oakville, Mississauga is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Niagara on the Lake Parts with 0.2.5 millimeters rainfall, including Niagara Falls City. So let's go to next tower, which is 8 p.m. Oh, let's double check everything. Everything's done. Let's go to 90 hours. So start from Hamilton. Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Ipswich, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Salaby, Midland, Olilla, Petty, Georgia, Beverly Hills. So Niagara Lake is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. The coldest precipitation snowfall, same amount of rainfall. So Niagara Falls City's light is 0.25, AB is 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Whole thing's rainfall for Niagara Falls City. So let's go to next hour, which is 11 p.m. Coburg is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 8 a.m., which is nothing else. 11 a.m. There is something, so hopes Bay Wyerton Port Elgin Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall except Hanover. So let's go to next hour, which is 108 hours. Hopes Bay Wyerton Starlight Bay, Thunder Beach, Collingwood. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 5 p.m. There is something. Line said Obey, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Scarborough, Stouffville, because there's even some breaks. Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Gothenburg is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next tower, which is 114 towers. Second final hour. Lancet, Palm Beach, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Belleville. It's going to get some Niagara Lake parts of Niagara Falls City. Now whole Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, leading downtown Toronto. Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Orangeville, Newmarket, Stouffville. Those cities are gonna get Beverly as a Georgia Valley. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So Coburg is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Peterborough is gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of rainfall. Hobbs Bay, Boyles, and Hanover is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, 11 p.m. So let's look at Lionshead OB. Lionshead, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Salaberry, Midland, Collingwood, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Olala, Scarborough, Stouffville, Newmarket, Orangeville, Niagara on the Lake Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, rainfall. So Mississauga, Brampton, gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of rainfall. So Hamilton, Oakville, Western Oakville, it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, it's the difference. So downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, it's going to be 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So Coburg is going to be 2.5 millimeters. Peterborough is going to get some 6.25 millimeters. Belvoir is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next tower. There is no next tower. So let's look at total rainfall 24 hours starting from. Let's go slowly. So Hope's Bay line said it's gonna be 0.9 millimeters of rainfall, and line said Hope's Bay 1 millimeters. Boy Elgin 0.9, Onaway 0.8. Palm Beach 2 millimeters. Thunder Beach 2 millimeters. Solid Bay 1 millimeters. 1 millimeter. Midland, Georgia 2 millimeters. Valley 2 millimeters. Beverly Hills gonna be 0.6 millimeters. Olala is gonna get some 1 millimeters of rainfall. Peterborough is gonna get some 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to Niagara Falls City. It's gonna get some 0.3 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to Bartons, 1 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. Line said, OB, Wartown Poyos in Honor, it's gonna get some bear. It's gonna get some 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. Georgia, Beverly Hills, 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. 0.8 actually for Beverly Hills. Actually, Georgia. Hoover, Peterborough, it's gonna get some Wilkes-Barre, it's gonna get some 0.8 millimeters of rainfall. Actually, 0.7 is in Coburg, Peterborough, except for Wilkes-Barre. Sissaga, Brampton, 0.8 millimeters. Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, 1 millimeters of rainfall. Stouffville, 1 millimeters. Oshawa, 1 millimeters. So Orangeville, 1 millimeters. So Hamilton was 2 millimeters. Oakville, Heavy is 2 millimeters. Light is gonna be 1 millimeter. 0.8. Niagara on the Lake, 0.7 millimeters. Niagara Falls City is gonna be. It's going to be 0.6 millimeters of rainfall. Palm Beach. Thunder Beach is going to be 0.9 millimeters of rainfall. Sada Bay, Midland is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Lala is going to get some 1 millimeters of rainfall. Berry is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. March the 20th. So Hobbs Bay is gonna be 2 millimeters, Lions is gonna be 2 millimeters, Warriors in 2 millimeters, Honor is gonna be 2 millimeters of rainfall. So calling is 2 millimeters, Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach, 2 millimeters, Solid Bay, Midland, 3 millimeters, Solid 3 millimeters, Betty, Babylon, Georgia, 2 millimeters. Everywhere now falls 3 millimeters. Hamilton equals 3 millimeters. Mississauga down to 3 millimeters. Brampton 2 millimeters. Toffel 2 millimeters. Scarborough 2 millimeters. Newmarket, Orangeville 2 millimeters. Wilkes-Barre 2 millimeters. Oshawa 2 millimeters. Peterborough 2 millimeters. Coburg 2 millimeters. Belleville 2 millimeters. Let's go to next hour, which is. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. So Brampton 5 millimeters, Mississauga 5 millimeters. Downtown Toronto 2 millimeters, Scarborough 2 millimeters, and Stouffville 0.7 Oshawa 1 millimeters, Wilkes-Barre 2 millimeters, Peterborough 6 millimeters, Coburg 2 millimeters, Belleville 3 millimeters. Oakville area is going to get some 4 millimeters. Hamilton gets nothing. Oakville gets 0.2 millimeters. Oakville area is going to be 4 millimeters. Niagara on the Lake 0.7 millimeters. Niagara Falls City is 1 millimeters. Port Elgin's going to get some 6 millimeters of rainfall. Hanover is going to get some. Hanover again is going to get some 3 millimeters of rainfall. Actually, 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters. Hobbs Bay is going to get some 5 millimeters of rainfall. Lions is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Palm Beach, Sun Beach, Sada Bay is going to be 0.7 millimeters. Midland gets nothing, or that gets something. Georgia is going to get some 0.9 millimeters. Beverly Hills is going to be 1 millimeters. Where is going to get some 0.6 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is. There is no next hour, so let's look at total snowfall. So let's look at 8 p.m. Oh, it's too far off. So let's go to 8 p.m. March. Oh, it's too close. So 8 p.m. March the 18th. So Washington's to 1.2 centimeters. Boylston's 1.2 centimeters. Hanover is going to be 1.2 centimeters. Column is 1.0.8. Actually, 1.1 Hanover. So line said will be 1.2. Look, way solid is 1.4. Midland 5.5. Palm Beach going to be 1.7 centimeters. Thunder Bay is going to get some 1.65 centimeters of snowfall. So Georgia is going to get some 1.5 centimeters. Barry is going to get some 1.7 centimeters. 1.7 is in Georgia actually. So Beverly Hills is going to get some 0.5 centimeters. Alala is going to get some 1.5 centimeters. So everywhere now falls 0.2 centimeters, Stouffville 0.2 centimeters, Newmarket 0.2 centimeters, Wilkes-Barre 0.2, Shawa 0.1, Peterborough 0.9, Coburg 0.2, Belleville 0.2, Hamilton 0.1. So let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. March the 19th. Line said obey 0.5 centimeters, 0.5 centimeters, and line said obey is going to be 0.4 centimeters, for else in 0.6 centimeters. However, it's going to get some 0.5 centimeters. Hollywood 0.5 centimeters. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be 0.8 centimeters. Solid Bay is 1.2 midline, 0.42, 1.2 other is going to be 1.2 centimeters. Very 1.2 centimeters. Georgina 1. It's going to be 1.0 centimeters. 0.9 Zimbabwe ISOs everywhere for 0.5 centimeters so far. So Hamilton's about 1.4 centimeters, Oracle's 1.4, Oracle like this is 0.4 centimeters, Mississauga is 0.4, Brampton is about 4, Toronto is about 4, Scarborough is about 5, Stillfield is about 6, Newmarket, Orangeville is about 6, Uxbridge is about 9, Oshawa is about 9, Peterborough is about 7, Cobourg is about 6, Belleville is about 3, so let's go to next hour, which is Friday, March 20th. So Whiteton 1.7 centimeters, Royalson's 1.9 centimeters, Ottawa is going to be 2 centimeters, Collingwood is 2.3 centimeters, Bombay Thunder is going to get some 2 centimeters. Actually, could be, yeah, this 2. So Solid Bay Mainland 2.6 centimeters, Olala 2.6 centimeters. So let's look at Georginia. So Georginia is going to get some 2.2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Babla is 2.1. Betty's going to get some 2.1 centimeters. So let's look at 0.2 centimeters in Argonne Lake. Hamilton is about 5. Oakville 2.5. Oakville Abbey is going to be 2.6 centimeters. So 2.7. Mississauga is 2.6 centimeters. Brampton 2.1. Toronto 2.4. Scarborough is 2.2 centimeters. Stouffville 1.9 centimeters. Newmarket 1.9. Orangeville 1.9. Uxbridge 2.2. Oshawa 2.1. Peterborough 2.6. Cobourg 1.9. Belleville 2.1. So Hopesway is going to get some. Hopesway is going to get some 1.4 centimeters. So snowfall actually could be 1.4. Lion's Head is going to be 1.1 centimeters of snowfall. Let's look at next tower, which is going to take a while actually, extra 2 minutes. So Belleville's 2.1. 8 p.m. There is nothing else. So let's look at air temperature pattern. 8 p.m. So Whitehead -9, Collingwood -8, Brampton -7, Mississauga -6, Downton -6, Scarborough -6.57, Stouffville -7, Newmarket, Orangeville -8, Uxbridge -9, Oshawa -8, Peterborough -10, Cobourg -7, -9, Belleville, Hamilton, Oakland -5, everywhere in Arc Falls -5.5. So Georginia is going to get some -7, Beverly Hills is -7, so Betty's going to be -9.5 centimeter degrees. Alala is going to get some -10 degrees. So let's look at Midland -10. Solid -10. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach going to be -10. Hope's Bay, Lions Head is different. Say Hope's Bay -9, Lions Head is going to be -8. 10 actually. So but Elgin is going to get some -8 degrees. Like -9. Ottawa is -9. So let's go to next tower, which is 7 a.m. So Hope's Way is going to be -7. Line says it's going to be -8. Port Elgin -6. Hanover is going to get some -7 degrees. Collingwood -8 degrees. Palm Beach going to get some -10 degrees. Thunder Beach -8 degrees. Solid Bay -10. Midland -9. So -9, that's going to be -11 degrees. It's a Midland. So let's look at Olala. It's going to be -11 degrees. Actually, -12 degrees. So it could be -7.5. So Georginia is gonna get some -9 degrees. Very -9 big degrees. Beverly Hills is gonna get some -10 degrees. So everywhere Niagara Falls -9 degrees. Hamilton -6 degrees. Oakland -6 degrees. Mississauga -7 degrees. Actually, Oakland's like heavy colder. Warmest is gonna be icy cold is -8 degrees. 7 degrees -7. The cold is -6. Warmest. Brampton -9, Mississauga -8, Downton -8, Scarborough -9.5 degrees, Stouffville -11, Scarborough minus 10.5, Richmond minus 9.5, Sony Market, Orange Mile minus 11 degrees, Uxbridge minus 12, Oshawa minus 9, Peterborough minus 14, minus 11, Coburg minus 17, Melville. So, London. So, let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So, Whitehall minus 2, Collingwood minus 2, Hopes Bay minus 2, Lions is gonna get minus 3 degrees, Royals minus 1, Hanover is gonna get some minus 2 degrees, Solid Beach, Thunder Beach, Palm Beach minus 2, Byron is going to be minus. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, that's actually minus 3. That's so correct. So temperature. So Georgia, Babylon is ready. Olala minus 3. Newmarket, Orangeville minus 3. Stouffville minus 3. Scarborough minus 2. Down Toronto minus 1. Brampton minus 1. Mississauga minus 1. Hamilton 0 degrees. Oakville 0 degree minus 1 degrees. Oakville 1 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls minus 1.5 degrees. Shawaz minus 3. Coburg minus 3. Uxus minus 5. Peterborough minus 5. Baba minus 4. So let's go to next tower, which is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Yeah, that's 7 a.m. So let's see the coldest hour. It's gonna be 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. It could be the one of those. So it could be 7 a.m. also. So Whitehall minus 2. Collingwood minus 2. Lionshead Bay minus 1. Boyles minus 1. Hanover is gonna be minus 3 degrees. Palm Beach minus 1. Solid Bay minus 1. Thunder Beach 0 degrees. Midland minus 2 degrees. So let's look at Georgia minus 1. Beverly Hills is minus 2 degrees. Where is gonna be minus 3 degrees. Olala is gonna get some minus 2 degrees. Newmarket minus 4, Orangeville minus 4. Niagara on the lake, 1 degrees Niagara Falls City, 0 degrees Hamilton, local, it's going to be 0 degrees, local warmest temperature is going to be minus 1 degrees. Mississauga, 0 degrees, down to Toronto, that's Mississauga is 1 minus 1, down to Toronto minus 0 degrees, Brampton minus 3 degrees, Richmond is going to be minus 2 degrees, Scarborough minus 2 degrees, Stouffville minus 3 degrees, Uxbridge minus 3, Oshawa minus 1, Peterborough minus 3, Coburg, 0 degrees, Melbourne minus 1. So, London. So, let's go to next tower. So, let's go to next tower, which is 3 p.m. So line set OB is going to be line set 1 degrees, Hope with 2 degrees, whereas 1 degrees on is going to get some 1.5 degrees, Colin 1 4 degrees. Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Solid Bay, it's going to be 1 degrees, Midland 2 degrees, all of that 2 degrees, Baddies 3 degrees, Georgia 3 degrees, Bablas 3 degrees, Newmarket 3 degrees, West 2 degrees, Peterborough 2 degrees, Ravel 2 degrees, Coburg 2 degrees, Oshawa 3 degrees, Stouffville, Scarborough down around to 3 degrees, Brampton 7 degrees, Mississauga 6 degrees, Hamilton 6 degrees, Oakville 6 degrees. Oakville warmest temperature is going to be 6 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is 5.5 degrees. So let's go to next tower, which is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. So the city coldest hour. So there is no changes between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. actually. So let's start. So Warian minus 2 is in white, huh? Line set OB is going to be minus 2 degrees, whereas in 2 degrees, minus 2 degrees. Hanover is going to be minus 2 degrees. Collingwood minus 2 degrees. Solar Bay is minus 2 degrees. Bombay is going to be 2 degrees. Derby is going to get some minus 1 degrees. Midland's going to get some minus 2 degrees. 4 degrees. Olala is going to be minus 5 degrees. Very minus 3 degrees. Babylon is minus 3 degrees. Georgia is going to get some minus 2 degrees. Minus 1 degrees. It's in Georgia. So let's. Everywhere there falls minus 2.5 degrees. Hamilton minus 1. Oakland minus 1. Oakland minus minus 1. Mississauga minus 1. Brampton minus 2. Toronto minus 1. Scarborough minus 2. Stouffville minus 3. Newmarket Orangeville minus 3. Uxbridge minus 3. Oshawa minus 3. Peterborough minus 3, Coburg minus 2, Belleville minus 2 degrees. So let's go to next tower, which is Let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. Lights it obey 1 degrees, boils in honor is 2 degrees, Collingwood 1 degrees, Bombay, Sunbeat, Salaberry, Milan, 1 degrees, Olala, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills 1 degrees, Renton, Mississauga, down to Toronto 1 degrees, Scarborough 0.5 degrees, Victoria has 1 degrees, Stouffville with 0 degrees, Newmarket, Orangeville 0 degrees, Uxbridge 1 Oshawa minus is going to be 0 degrees, Peterborough 0 degrees, Coburg was 0 degrees, Belvoir 1 degrees, Hamilton, Oakville 1 degrees, everywhere in Eric was 3 degrees. So let's go to London. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. AM actually. 2 degrees of Whitetown, 9 Bay Boyles in Hanover. Collingwood 2 degrees, Bombay, Sunbeat, Salaberry, Milan, Olala, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills 1 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is 1.5 degrees. Hamilton, Oakville 1 degrees. Oakville, Woods, is 1 degrees. Mississauga 1 degrees. Brampton 1 degrees. Downtown 1 degrees. Scarborough 1 degrees. Stouffville 0 degrees. Newmarket 0 degrees. Orangeville -1. Uxbridge 1 degrees. Oshawa 1 degrees. Peterborough 0 degrees. Coburg 1 degrees. Belvoir 1 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So 2 p.m. actually. So Washington 9 degrees, Collingwood 10 degrees, Langston OB is going to be 5 degrees, 6 degrees, no, 5 degrees, 4 hours and 6 degrees. Hanover is going to get some 9 degrees, actually a little bit warmer, it's going to be 10 degrees. So Brampton is 9 degrees, Mississauga is 9 degrees, Hamilton it's going to be 10 degrees, above freezing, Oakville 10 degrees, that's the warmer, it's cold, it's going to be 9 degrees. Down to 5 degrees, Stove over 3 degrees, Scarborough 4 degrees, everywhere in Anacross 3 degrees, Newmarket 5 degrees, Orange World it's going to be 6 degrees, 7 degrees actually, Uxbridge 3 degrees, Oshawa 3 degrees, Peterborough 3 degrees, Coburg 3 degrees, Balboa 4 degrees. So Barry's going to get some 7 degrees, 8 degrees, 7 degrees. Genia's going to get some 3 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to get some 5 degrees. So Barry, whatever. So Alula is going to be 3 degrees. So Bombay is going to get some 6 degrees. Tanabe is going to get some 5 degrees. Salabi is 5 degrees. Milan 4 degrees. So let's leave for it's going to be 5 degrees. So Hanover is going to be a little bit more for the south. So it's going to be 9 degrees. So actually 10 degrees. So this is the end of the video.